Hello, this is Peace Weapon. Today I'm going to pick the DOM IX Twinstar. It is similar to the DOM IX10 that I picked a while ago. But instead of 10 finned pins, it has 9 finned pins and 2 interactive pins. This is the key. The key has 2 interactive elements in it. They are 2 separate elements together. One will interact with the pin in one side of the lock and the other in the other side of the lock. The key works. I'll use a Z-bar on the inside of the lock. You can pick this lock with a hook or with the flags. The IX10 I picked with flag. This one I will pick with the hook by pushing the shoulder of the finned pin. First thing, I'm going to find the first binder that is in the back. Next I have to try to set the maximum lift. It's not very easy. The other 2 pins in the left will only bind after the maximum lift is set, so I have to try and set it correctly. Now the second pin is binding. Now I go for the first pin. I check all the pins to see if they're all correctly set, where the right side will not bind. Now moving to the right side. I managed to set pin 3 from that side. That was pin 4. And pin 5. Supposedly this lock isolates, but it's not the case. I have to have the right side almost completely set so that I can set the spools on the left side on pin 1 and 2. Only then will the first pin on the right side bind and set. Checking if everything is correctly set. Something dropped. Now that everything seems set, I'll go for the first interactive on the top. It's not very easy to reach it. It's a very tiny pin on the back. I think it's set. Now for the other interactive. It seems set, but it's not opening the lock, so probably something is not correctly set somewhere. Checking again the top interactive. Checking every pin. And now it's open. Now let's cut it. I'll speed this up a bit. It's my first time getting this lock. Aside from the main pins, there are also some passive pins and some ball bearings that will start to fall. This is the sidebar that is peeked through the interactive at the bottom. Small pins and ball bearings keep falling. Now to remove the key pins. This is the Twinstar core with the holes for the pins, the holes for the passive pins on the side, and the groove for the interactive sidebar. Now we move to the driver pins. Almost all of them are either spools or mushrooms. In contrast, the DOM IX10 that I picked before only had standard drivers. And here we go. These are the pins from the DOM IX Twinstar. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.